3, 2, 1. The Service Rules Committee decided that the proposal received from Department for framing of new service rules or amendment in the existing rules if deferred for want of relevant information required the committee, or absence of the representation of administrative department concerned from the meeting without prior intimation shall be removed from the agenda of the committee till receipt of a further reference from the administrative department concerned. Draft notification in triplicate based on the recommendations of the committee should be forwarded to Regulations Wing of Services and General Administration Department within a week of the receipt of minutes of the Service Rules Committee, so that the rules can be notified without unnecessary delay. The existing service rules which were notified prior to be coming into force of Punjab Civil Servants Act, 1974 should be brought in conformity with the requirements of the said Act, in a consolidated form on the prescribed schedule, including therein all the existing as well as new posters in all grades, filling in a functional I am directed to refer to this department circular No. Services and General Administration Department on the subject and enclose a copy thereof. It has been observed that Administrative Department notice for the Administrative Departmental Promotion Committee meeting is without working paper and supporting documents. In most of the cases, where working papers are attacked, the notice for such meetings is very short, few hours to 1 day. It becomes very difficult for the Regulation Wing of Services and General Administration Department to properly study the proposals and depute an office to attend the meetings. Therefore, the enclosed instructions are brought to you notice for compliance. In case said instructions are not followed in further, the Regulation Wing of Services and General Administration Department would be justified to express its inability to attend such DPC meetings. I am directed to say that it has been observed the concern that, in most of the cases, examination of cases carried out and recommendations made by the departmental promotion committees have been found lacking in assessment and appraisal. In one of the meeting of the DPC of a department, an officer was deferred for promotion on the grounds that his whereabouts were not traceable and comma, after only 1 year, comma, his case for promotion was recommended without bringing on record any justification as to whereas the officer during the period he was not traced out ? The department replied that, comma, in fact, comma, his record was not available, when questioned as to what action was taken against the officials who misplaced his record and how the record was recovered, comma, the department could not give any cogent reasons. Reply, Chief Secretary Punjab has taken a serious notice of such lapses on the part of the departmental promotion committees. He has directed that the departmental promotion committees, comma, while examining the cases of promotions, comma, moreover move over performa promotions etc., comma, should carefully and minutely look into all relevant facts and details of the cases. Reasons should be explained in the minutes of meeting.